something real nice to show you guys right here. Look at this. Look at what I got. I got all these parcels. I got all these Atlas bucks. I'm real close as we gain this, as we get more, to be a mother freaking mayor. I need 4 more.
Okay.
4 more. Okay. I need 4 more. Okay. Right here. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's get it in. I'm just taking up land. As I take up the land, got a common. Okay. All right. All right. Go get another. Let's see. We got an epic. Let's go. Let's see. What else we gonna get? Listen, I need a legendary. Come on now. Oh, you give me rares. It's all good. Oh, come on now. I need one more to beat him, because it looks like I got 68. We're going to check the leaderboards. You know I'm on top of the leaderboards. You know, because I finna be. If I can scroll the fuck down. Bruh. God damn it. Scroll down, nigga. Okay. God, there you go. Scroll the fuck down.
Okay.
We got 68. I'm pretty sure we got 68. I'm trying to scroll to where I am. Goddamn, high up, baby. We got 68. We are matching the mayor of where I am. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's get one more.
Okay.
Let's get one more. Okay. I just want to see what happens when I become the mayor of Ocean Township. I want to see.
Okay.
We got a comment. It's all good. But listen, we the mayor. We chippy. We dancing. We on. I got some real motherfucking knowledge on my channel. Subscribe for more. Come on now. Listen, but right here, we are the motherfucking mayor of Ocean Township. We the ones and only. You own the most land in Ocean Township. This makes you the new mayor. So now you will get a cut of all Ocean Township badges sold while you remain mayor. Come on now. We taking spots. We taking duckets, man. It's all mine, baby. And been mine. I'm just claiming it back, baby. Come on now. We the man, baby. Let's go. Subscribe for more. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it.